You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Police PR boss finally akasa ewo Nigel umufia nsɛm a wɔde etudwa. And there your first time or subscribing na click notification bell on so am we yan the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Your new YouTube channel link no ewo comment box no mo click na subscribe am mesre baby a wo hwɛ ana wo tie yen efri bia no uko YouTuber search for Melodies TV na subscribe am now yan konsem ne so unim se umufia insensem ebaaye and the Nigel Gazy ebeka umufia yi Aptolende eguswa trende ewo social media enkofo bebre na e de aya asem ka in fact journalist e de kasa chese ada ensofo e de kasa Ghana fo ankasa no asem na ba beto omo ano na memamoti ase umufia no Ghana fo a ye co school ye read Things Fall Apart Chinua Achebe Things Fall Apart literature u read abehu ne say it was a fictional town Chinua Achebe wo create ye umufia na na nkrofo say Nigel Gazy because me say Melodies kra no ne kwane nyame anim ne first no na me say din a wono Nigel Gazy na nkasa wo frame ye but Ghana ni bia wo
TV on YouTube
abrochi be send me audio Emma wo explain it share me Emma wo kan me Emma me call back na me ko hu say ne kra Things Fall Apart story no umufia township na ewom na what your story no how fictional Nigel Gazy related to Ghana now obehu say there were some similarities enti kuro ene Nigel Gazy na boy story writer bi na wo boss kuro no wo ni book mu na ende Ghana fo bebre na abomutrim in fact ebi mo kra aka say umufia no uspele no ekọ echi edane efuom Ghana fo pa o si umufia so UMUOFIA nti uspele ekọ echi ebeye AIFOUMU nti eno no o si ebeye efuom that is a umufia efuom nti Nigel Gazy ni chini Ghanaians we are very creative. Now let's go to the story. Na asemwa aba ene se police penyi bi wakasa e wasem ne so na nye se wono ankasa e no de ne pe ye friend is Superintendent Alexander Obin or your regional PR director of police service. Na the see ene se wo ko show so na presenters no ene ne kasa no mokata say aban umufia abe wati ebia na wo kan afa umufia no ho na yenko reading nsem a police penyi no wo kan senior mama wati ase na dey your first time we have subscribe we say we ye Ghana we for natural article no we say umufia has become a popular location in Ghana. The fictional country was recently used in a series of prophecies. Police had issued a directive against doom prophecies late last year. We say umufia has trended on Ghana's social media landscape since last Friday, December 31st, 2021, when it was used extensively in prophetic ministration by Nigel Gazy of the Prophetic Hill Chapel. Originally known to be a town in Nigeria, one popularized by Chinua Achebe in his acclaimed classical novel, Things Fall Apart, Gazy's use of the town in prophesying has made the town largely the butt of jokes. Inti history amema wo senia umufia town no Nigeria ne Chinua Achebe kweti enti no na Ghana web for womo trase. From people posting purported flags and passport covers of the said town, which Gazy described as a country, to others promising to vacation in Umufia, while for others the country is synonymous to Ghana. It is largely believed that the prophet opted for coded prophesying because of a December 27, 2021 police statement that cautioned against prophecies that could create fear and panic. Inti, and no more can say the entire Nigerians will use code. December 27, in some police for Edebeto Wabonting. I see, when the regional public relations boss of the Ghana Police Service appeared on Adom FM's Jason Sem program on Tuesday, January 4, 2022, he was asked about Umufia. In the Adom FM 4 show, IFN Jason Sem, the regional police boss, Greater Accra regional police boss, Emma Womubisano, Umufia. Natia Samu Kaino, I say, please, what is it? I say, Umufia na ye Umufia na ye Ghana na. I say, here in Ghana, I know towns like Kunkumpongi, Bandari, Bandari,
Melodies TV on YouTube.
Bole. We have others like Sogakope, Bawakra. These are towns that I happen to know, but Umufia in Ghana here, I don't know about them. About that, sorry, he stressed. Inti yebisa police no say ono the Ghana ha nkura watete na wabobodi no so ka kofe ne bandare ne kunkumponge ne mabodi ni ya mesre eye bebi a ofi na wotie ye na mabodi ni afa chen. Also ono Umufia wanted that. Also when asked about Nigegezi's prophecy, the top cop instead explained the work done by himself and Inspector General of Police George Akufu Dampare by way of extensive patrols from New Year's Eve into the year 2022. Inti wamaye hunu se New Year ana ensofo no ehyenkom no na ono ene IGP Dampare no omunam a womo patrol Ghana. Also, after listing several locations, he said, the town you mentioned is not among the areas we covered. It's not in Ghana. Or is that not so? So if someone does something outside Ghana, I can't tell. It's a police penya some organization say corona Nigerian boy, you know. And you see, Nigerian senya nkrofo esre no Nigerian by this police statement has indeed cracked a code. Nigerian say nkrofo sri umofia no utie nsema police ni working ya na to say Nigerian wa crack the code no ama Ghana D4 bebre because the police ni can say e corona Nigerian body no enye kura ewo Ghana it you know as oye police ni awo Ghana ne de want to mean kasamfa e kura eni Ghana ho it that is the code it is here a D4 person mo share nkoma asem wo mo beka ne say enkom sha me ba be shey enye Ghana eye kuro bi a ye friend say na wakobo kuro bi so aka say omosun kom e na wo she police ni no aka e wa asem we mu say wo muntumi nya hwe I say if someone does something outside Ghana, I can't tell. So this is the code. Inti edifo still mo pesa mo hyen koma musuro Kofi Dro edifo Kofi Odro ono dia wa mama ati azese mu ye hufo because ono nyankopon yi tre no beka but mo no still mo pesa mo hyen koma Nigerian atwam format no because the police no work. I say I don't know, but what is important is that all prophets complied with the law.
Melodies
I am also
TV
happy
on YouTube.
that among faith-based organizations, groups advised one another. It was most important. Also, I know the only man say, let our mode a babonte or so for be anywhere we bus ambraneso. Na police we ni aje. Senya nyama ekoye because they now womo peno and no and answer for nende omoaye. So as I was saying, wa cracky Nigerian a cracky code no ama indin for Umufia. Umufia itende ube shem koma ida se ube yusu Umufia ana ode mame mamu clue yusu efuom munka efuom because Umufia no otene na edani efuom Umufia otene west na efuom itu ube shem koma usi efuom mehu Say a form ho BBS wa say no umbo kurobi edin Nigerians ya tremo. So you can laugh. Ube to me asre aye de ope biaba Nigerians has cracked the code for this indeed for womayo imagine say womo ebe hye nkom no. Ntino de wo ho no na tie for obi an check na your comment box ni.